Hi guys, welcome back to Clumsy Cakes. So I have a bit of a dilemma here and I'm wondering if you guys can help me out. So I really don't know what to call this recipe. A lot of people, when they make it, they call it edible cookie dough. But I don't like that name because it implies that you can't eat other cookie dough physically, when really you can. They call it that because you shouldn't eat other cookie dough because it has eggs in it, which can give you salmonella, which isn't good. So how about we call this safe cookie dough? I don't know. I'm kind of at a loss. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. So anyway, we're just going to start by making the base, which is some butter, some sugar, both granulated and brown, and some vanilla extract. And just mix that up until very pale and fluffy. Now I'm just splitting my base up into 3 different bowls for the 3 different flavors that I'm making. Did I mention that I'm making 3 different flavors? I am. The first flavor is just good old chocolate chip. I'm going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of flour, about a tablespoon of chocolate chips, and a little bit of salt. And also, when you guys are making this recipe, you can make all of the different flavors, or you can make 1, or you can make 2 of them. It really doesn't matter. This is just to give you some ideas. And you can sift the dry ingredients if you would like to. It's not really necessary. And when you're baking cookies, you really want to mix in the dry ingredients by hand just to prevent overmixing. But really, since we're not baking this, it really isn't that important. I just am kind of in the habit of doing this, so I just did it this way. And make sure to spill something that you aren't even using all over the floor. That's key. This second flavor is going to be double chocolate. All we're going to do is replace our 2 tablespoons of flour with 1 tablespoon flour and 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. So this last one is going to be Rocky Road. I'm just taking the same dry ingredients that I used in the double chocolate flavor and taking out those chocolate chips and adding marshmallows and walnuts. Alright, so these are the 3 flavors of edible cookie dough I made today. We have Rocky Road, and double chocolate, and just good old chocolate chip cookie dough. So if you guys like this recipe, don't forget to leave me a like down below. And if you have any suggestions for what you would like to see next, I would love to hear about those down in the comments. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to make more messes with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!